You may notice several changes after reaching 40 years of age, like slower metabolism, changes in cholesterol, stiff blood vessels, and sometimes even poor absorption of key nutrients. All of these changes can put extra strain on your heart. But do you know how important it is to focus on minerals that often decline as we age? Yes, minerals are essential, and without them, your body cannot carry out vital functions like maintaining blood pressure, balancing electrolytes, and keeping your arteries flexible. Deficiencies in certain minerals can directly affect cardiovascular health. Well, in today's video, I will discuss 3 minerals that can help maintain better heart health even after 40. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vyas from Bharat Homeopathy. I have extensive clinical knowledge and experience in treating cardiovascular disease with natural and holistic care. So let's move on to today's topic. The first and one of the most important minerals you must focus on after 40 is magnesium. It plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, supporting normal heart rhythm, and reducing vascular stiffness. Research shows that magnesium deficiency is linked to high blood pressure, arrhythmias, and an increased risk of heart disease. The optimal daily intake should be around 310 to 420 mg per day, depending on age and gender. But remember, too much magnesium from supplements can cause digestive discomfort. So it is always best to balance it with the diet first. Now, how can you meet the daily requirement of magnesium from diet? You can consume leafy green vegetables, pumpkin seeds, almonds, avocados, beans, and whole grains. So after 40, it is very important to keep your magnesium levels balanced, which is essential for smooth muscle and artery function. The second mineral is potassium. It is an electrolyte that works hand in hand with sodium to regulate blood pressure. Unfortunately, as we age, many people consume too much sodium and not enough potassium, which increases the risk of hypertension and heart disease. Potassium helps relax blood vessels wall, reduces the strain on your heart, and lowers stroke risk. According to the American Heart Association, adequate potassium intake can even help counteract the harmful effects of high salt diet. Now, what is the recommended daily dose of magnesium intake? It should be 2600 to 3400 mg per day. You can consume bananas, oranges, sweet potatoes, spinach, beans, lentils, yogurt, and salmon. The third mineral is calcium. While we often think of calcium only for bones, it also plays a vital role in muscle contraction, including your heartbeat. Calcium supports proper vascular contraction and relaxation, helping maintain stable blood pressure. But here's something important. Calcium must always be balanced with magnesium and vitamin K2. If calcium is not properly directed to the bones, it may deposit in the arteries, increasing the risk of plaque buildup. That's why calcium must be taken with vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin K2. Now, what should be the recommended dose? It should be around 1000 to 1200 mg per day after age of 40. Now, what could be the natural source of calcium? You can consume low-fat dairy, fortified plant-based milk, sardines, leafy greens, sesame seeds, and tofu. So maintaining calcium along with magnesium and K2 helps keep both your bones and your arteries strong and healthy. Alright, so after 40, your heart needs the right minerals just as much as vitamins. Magnesium keeps your rhythm steady, potassium balances your blood pressure, and calcium, when balanced properly, supports both your bones and arteries. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health-related, interesting, and informative videos. Thank you so much and have a heart-healthy day.